Hi, this is Delia from Period 3, and this is my podcast on Lesson 29, Energy. And you won't believe what Miss Mikkelson made us do over Thanksgiving break. But anyway, you need to pass the test Miss Mikkelson is making us take. So first you need to know that energy is the measure of an ability to do work and is also measured in joules. Our physics book says that if a machine does 12 joules of work, the machine uses 12 joules of energy to do the work. Next is kinetic energy, which is energy due to speed. Like potential energy, which is abbreviated as PE, kinetic energy has no direction. Something that has kinetic energy, for example, is a bullet moving quickly past a non-moving object. And since I don't have a bullet, an example could be a runner moving past a tree that is stationary. It has kinetic energy. Gravitational potential energy is the stored energy in a system resulting from the gravitational force between Earth and that object. Mouthful. Another thing that is important for you to know about is potential energy. And an example of potential energy would be a compressed spring, which has the potential to do something. Okay, so here's the spring, and it's compressed. It's trying to compress, and it has the potential to go somewhere. So if I decompress it, it's being a finicky spring. If I decompress the spring, I don't know, it can go places. You get the point of that. On the test, you also have to be able to explain the conservation of mechanical energy, which is a principle stating that the total energy of an isolated system remains constant, regardless of changes within the system. The law of conservation energy also states that in a closed, isolated system, energy is not created or destroyed, but rather is destroyed. Yes. And friction is an example of a non-conservative force. Energy conversion is the process of changing energy from one form of energy to another form of energy. And an example of an energy conversion would be when a flashlight is turned on and goes from mechanical energy to electrical and then light. Or like when you turn a flashlight on your phone. It goes from mechanical to electrical energy to light in the phone, and is a flashlight on the phone. Or same way in real flashlight, which you can practice at home. But that is pretty much everything you're going to have to do on the test. And I hope you do well and that this little video has helped you. You can practice at home with the spring to understand it. And that's about it. I really hope you do well on your test. And as well as I do on my physics project. So, thanks!